3CX reports. Access a choice of performance reports to check how well your staff are performing individually and as a team. 3CX reports can be found in your management console. On the left-hand side, navigate to Reports. Select Add to generate a new report. You'll find a drop-down list of all of the performance reports available. You can find user activity report, extension statistic reports, average talk time, and call distribution reports. Select the extension statistic report as an example. Give the report a name and select the file format required. You will then need to input an email address. This is where the 3CX report will be sent. You will have the option to select the frequency of the report. The report can be sent just once, daily, the first day of a week, weekly, every 2 weeks, and the first day of the month. As an example, let's select weekly. You can select the specific day and time for sending the report. Finally, select the data range and also the extensions and call type you'd like to add to the report. Select Schedule Report. An email will be sent to the requested email address. Simply download the report and access your 3CX statistics. Examples of other reports include abandoned calls, user activity and call distribution graphs.